Okay, Jack, go.
Okay, jump in and swim to the other side.
Wait, Tucker, until your brother gets done.
Swim, 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 swim. Paddle, 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 paddle. Good job, dude.
There's no waiting for me.
You see this kid?
What? Is that going into the water?
Jumping in and swimming half the width. Walk.
Watch.
Walk, walk.
What?
Watch
Ready?
this.
Set.
What? Tucker?
Watch.
Swim, paddle, 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 paddle.
That's crazy.
Tucker. Wow, Jack.
Try to watch me.
Okay, I'm watching.
You gotta walk.
At me.
Okay, take a breath. Breathe, Tucker. Take a second. Or not. Paddle, paddle, paddle.
Wow, both of you, look at you go.
He gets so tired by the time he swims to me that he doesn't want to swim to the steps. Okay, take a break for a second.